Hey guys, welcome to another episode here at the Gladiator Brothers. Today, Lola and I, we're going to be showing you how to install the bed rails in the Jeep Gladiator. If you like what you're watching, please comment, like, and subscribe to our channel. And share it to all your friends. We took the decision to go with Rebel Off-Road for these bed rails. The reason why is because, first of all, they're $250, cheaper than the Molle part, but second of all, because they're heavy duty. We're gonna be installing bed racks, we're gonna be installing tire carrier, we're gonna be installing also rooftop tents later on. So definitely stay tuned for those. So something to remember, you're gonna have two long ones and one short one. The short one goes here in the front, and then these two plates are gonna go with the long ones on the sides. So I'm gonna show them to you. What you want to really make sure is that these ones are aligned, the holes are aligned, and then they also align with the holes there. You can see it's a very easy install. Doesn't really require too much knowledge around mechanics. But this one will go right here in the front, and with this you will be able to attach accessories to your bed, and you'll be able to hook your fridge, you'll be able to hook your hijacks, bed racks, anything that you need for this. Now these accessories, it's a very easy install, but something that you're gonna need in the future. So if you don't have them, I'll totally recommend this to all of you. Ready to install right here. Now because I have the bed cover, the tunnel cover, it's gonna be a little more complicated, so I'm gonna have my assistant Barbie help me on this one. Come here, Barbie.
Okay.
Let's switch. Yeah, switch. Come over here.
Oh, sorry. My bad.
It's okay. Alright. Keep it there. And I'm gonna grab my little bag. Yeah, it's gonna be a little hard.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. So, something that we found out that actually makes it super easy. As you guys can see, we actually grab a little screwdriver, stick it in the hole, and then it's gonna help you to hold it, because with the fingers, it's not that easy. How is it, Barbie?
Now it's so easy.
It is easy, right?
Yeah.
Now, last step is just to install this bracket. This bracket will go right in the edge to pretty much secure the bed rail to the bed truck. Get it? Because you're gonna be able to utilize this bed rail for so many other things. I'll definitely share some of the other accessories that you'll be able to utilize with these bed rails. And this is it for tonight. We got done finishing two rails. We're gonna go home and finish that third one at home. Lola's getting antsy, she's getting hungry, and also mosquitoes are killing us here. But you know what? This is it, guys. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We're happy to keep sharing videos like this, and stay tuned for next one.